To rotate one or several pieces around the pivot point, use the function rotate and piece. Select the rotation point with the left mouse button. Now you can select all the pieces you want to rotate in the working area with the right mouse button and confirm the selection with the left mouse button. Be careful, for the arc and length measurements, the last click position decides where to measure. Now it's possible to rotate all the pieces around the rotation point. A measurement input is also possible with the arc, angle or the line length. Use the spacebar to type in the measurements. I want to rotate my pieces in a 90 degrees angle. Confirm with OK. It is also possible to rotate elements. Use the function rotate element for this. For example, if you want to have the stripe line in 45 degrees. Select the rotation point with the left mouse button and select the point for the measurement with the left mouse button as well. With the spacebar you can also type in values. Now I changed my vertical stripe line to a stripe line in 45 degrees.